How to check pregnancy at home. This is a very common problem. Lot of women are facing and searching through the internet to find out the best answer. So in this video, we will be talking to effective, easy and proven ways to check your pregnancy at home. Watch this video until the end. If you are new to discover our channel, make sure to subscribe so that you will never miss our future videos. So let's get started. If you feel some pregnancy signs, you can check pregnancy at home by adding a urine sample with common household ingredients like salt, sugar, baking powder, wine, and observing how the urine reacts. So here the 20 simple and natural tests to check pregnancy at home. Number 1. Salt pregnancy test. To take the salt pregnancy test, you will need normal table salt. Make sure that the salt is fresh and has not formed clumps in the container. Apart from the salt, you will need a clean container. It is best to use a transparent glass bowl to get clear result. The third and most important ingredient for the test is the urine sample. Collect the sample from the first urine in the morning, which contains the highest level of HCG if there is pregnancy. How to take the test? Pour the salt into the bowl. Add urine sample in equal amount. Observe. Reading the result. If there is HCG in the urine, which means if you are pregnant, the salt will form clumps as it comes in touch with the urine. If the salt is dissolved in the urine and you are left with the clear solution, it is negative side. Number 2. Sugar pregnancy test. It is popular homemade pregnancy test. The sugar test is similar to the salt pregnancy test and need the 3 ingredients: sugar, a transparent glass container, and the morning urine sample. How to take the test? Take 1 spoon of sugar in the bowl. Add urine sample. Observe. Reading the result. Sugar readily dissolved in normal urine, but if you are pregnant, instead it will form clumps. In case of a positive pregnancy, if you check the bowl after 5 to 7 minutes, you will see the sugar crystal are still permanently visible in the bowl. Number 3. Soap pregnancy test. A simple and popular DIY homemade pregnancy test that you can easily take after missing a period if you have some positive sign. For this test, you will need a bathing soap, a clean container, and the urine sample collected in the morning. How to take the test? Place the soap bar in the container, add the urine, wait and watch. Reading the result. Normal urine will not react with the soap and you will not see any reaction or froth coming up. But if bubbles and froth are formed on the soap, it is positive sign. You are expected to see the change within few minutes, but this homemade pregnancy test does not come with specific instruction about how long you should wait and read the result. There are several homemade pregnancy tests that have been used since time immemorial to test pregnancy. However, none of these tests is accurate or medically viable because all of them have some drawback and are prone to give misleading results, which can lead to serious mental stress and anxiety for the woman and the family. Taking an at-home pregnancy test with scientific test kit is easy and the best way to know quickly if you are pregnant. So these are the test kits I want to share with you. Please make sure to share with your friends if you find this is useful. Subscribe and stay connected.